Replacing an M-Series medication cart top, a help video to support your CAPSA product. Tools needed: long flat screwdriver. If your cart has a keypad, see CAPSA's separate directions to remove electrical connections. The top is held by strong double-face tape. You should be able to lift up. Use a screwdriver to firmly pry up any corner that sticks. Start at the front right, opposite the handle. Then loosen the back corner, then the rest. To install your M-Series cart's new top, first remove the old double-sided tape. Use your fingers to roll the tape off. On the underside of the new cart top, remove the tape backing. Carefully install the new top, starting from the handle side. Please contact CAPSA Healthcare should you have any questions or require any assistance.